All right, let's talk about something that drives every trader crazy, market noise. Today, we're going to explore a really cool tool designed to tame that chaos. It's called Heikin Ashi.
You know the feeling, right? You're staring at a chart, and it's just a mess of flickering green and red candles. It's impossible to tell what's really going on. That right there is market noise, and it's the #1 enemy of a clear trend. And just look at the difference here. On the left, you've got your standard candlestick chart. See how choppy and confusing that is? So many color changes. Now look to the right. That's the same exact asset on a Heikin Ashi chart. It's like night and day, isn't it? The trend just pops because all that static has been filtered out.
So, let's really dig into this problem of chart noise, because it's not just messy to look at, it can actually cost you money by pointing you in the wrong direction.
Think about it. A couple of red candles pop up in the middle of what looks like a strong uptrend. What do? You panic and sell, right? Only to watch the price keep climbing. That noise creates false signals that can shake you out of a perfectly good trade way too early.
So how do we fix this? How do we tune out the noise and just hear the music of the trend? Well, that's where the average bar comes in. It's the whole idea behind Heikin Ashi.
Heikin Ashi. It's a Japanese term that literally means average bar. And that's exactly what it is. It's this brilliant technique that takes standard candles and recalculates them based on average price data. The result? A much smoother chart that's way easier to read.
So what's the secret sauce here? Well, a normal candle just shows you the raw open, high, low, and close for that period. Simple. But a Heikin Ashi candle is different. Its values are an average, incorporating information from the previous candle. That little tweak is what does all the heavy lifting, smoothing everything out, and making the underlying trend obvious.
And this isn't just about making charts look prettier. Get this, some analyses suggest Heikin Ashi has a success rate as high as 72% in predicting market movements. Compare that to traditional candlesticks, which hover around 49%. That's basically a coin flip. A 72% success rate, that is a serious edge.
Okay, so we get what it is and why it's useful. Now for the fun part. How do we actually read the thing? Let's break down the 5 key signals you need to look for to identify trends like a pro.
This chart right here is your cheat sheet. When you see a bunch of solid green candles with no lower wicks or shadows, that's a sign of a super strong uptrend. The buyers are completely in charge. The opposite is true for a strong downtrend. Solid red candles with no upper shadows means sellers have a death grip on the market. Now, if you start seeing smaller candle bodies with shadows on both sides, that means the momentum is fading. And those tiny doji-like candles, that's the market hitting the pause button, signaling that a change in direction could be right around the corner.
So let's just boil it down to the essentials. These are the 5 signals you're hunting for. Green with no lower shadows, that's a powerful uptrend. Red with no upper shadows, a powerful downtrend. Anything else, especially those small bodies with wicks on both ends, tells you the trend might be losing steam or getting ready to turn. It's all about these simple visual cues.
All right, theory is great, but let's get practical. How can we actually use this to make trading decisions? Let's walk through a straightforward strategy to put Heikin Ashi to work.
Here's a simple 4-step game plan. Step 1, find a strong trend. You're looking for that series of solid green or red candles we just talked about. Step 2, get a second opinion. Use another tool, like a moving average or volume, just to confirm the trend has real strength. Step 3, and this is where Heikin Ashi really shines. Manage the trade. Just stay in as long as those strong candles keep printing. And finally, Step 4, know when to get out. When the candle color flips, or you see those little indecisive candles, that's your cue to think about taking profits.
But, no tool is perfect. It's really important to know the trade-offs. As one trader named Michael says, Heikin Ashi is fantastic for capturing the meat on the bone of a big move. But because it's an average, it naturally lags a bit. That means you'll probably get in and out a candle or two later than you would on a standard chart.
And that lag he mentioned brings us to a really important point. Let's lay it all out there and take a balanced look at the pros and cons of using these average bars.
Okay, on the plus side, the benefits are huge. You get amazing noise reduction, which leads to crystal clear trends, fewer fakeouts, and, this is a big one, it helps you have the confidence to stay in a winning trade longer. But on the flip side, that averaging creates a lag, so your entries and exits might be a bit late. You also lose the exact price data, so you won't see price gaps. And in a messy, sideways market with no real trend, Heikin Ashi can get just as confused as any other tool.
Now, if you remember only one thing from this, let it be this. The price you see on a Heikin Ashi chart is an average. It is not the actual live trading price of the asset. That's why you should always flip back to a standard chart when it's time to actually place your order for a precise entry or exit.
So, what's the bottom line? Heikin Ashi charts offer a clear trade-off. You're giving up a little bit of real-time price accuracy in exchange for a whole lot of trend clarity. It's a filter, not a crystal ball. Which leaves us with one final question to think about. Could focusing your trading on the average bar help you achieve some truly above-average results?